Good morning, welcome. All YouTubers, welcome. Let me see what I'm up to today. Okay, seems like I'm fitting this small block in this frame, and I'll be doing some cutting. As they put a general floor, just a piece of sheet metal that I welded initially, the previous guys, in here. I have to fit this to center it and to cut it for the gearbox, and hopefully I can use the original cross member and stuff to fit the 4-speed that comes behind this. Okay, let's get cracking. Okay, now that I've got my engine, my 283 Chevy, more or less where I want it in my 1933 Chevy, I can start marking out this floor and start chopping. So far it's only the floor that needs to be chopped for the transmission tunnel. The rest is pretty simple. I'll mark it out, get a length of the transmission, and quickly do that. Okay, I don't want to chop too much. I'm gonna chop it at an angle like that. The first part. Hopefully this plate is square. They've got in this vehicle. Okay, and then just do a slight marking. According to that, should be sufficient. Just mark it better. Okay, so I can chop this section out so long and chop it a bit so I can bend it a bit up to strengthen the floor and also have a lip to weld to. Okay, let me get cracking. goes through discs fast because it's a thick piece of plate they got in here. Don't have to have a big tunnel, just a slight bump. Now I can actually put the gearbox behind this and see how it's going in. Come on. There we go. Let me fit the gearbox behind this quickly. Okay, let me just pull this engine a bit forward and I'll slide it in the back there. Just to get it in. Should have actually made more space for myself. Okay, let's see. I can get this bucket in there. Because it's on my trusty gearbox jack as well. I didn't want to take it all the way out to fit the gearbox. I'm gonna need more space here. Just that small bit. Literally hanging by an inch. There we go. I can just bolt this up. Quickly get 2 bolts. I'll just secure this with 2 bolts. I know I still have to fit the clutch and everything. This is just mock-up purposes. So I can get everything done, mountings made, everything. I don't even know if that engine runs or what's the issue with it. I bought it as is, like you see there. But yeah, I bought it because it's a 283 and I basically want to build a period correct rod like they did in the 60s and 50s almost. I wasn't going for the lower down and all that stories. I was going for the old school rod. Hopefully I achieve what I'm looking for. Starts with a dream. That's all I can say. How long is this bolt? Almost there. Just want to nip it. All this is just for mock-up. And just lift this up slightly. Actually, let me move the jack a bit back. Oh, trusty old gearbox jack I made myself many moons ago for stubborn cars. Let me lift it. And then we'll guide it with the crane and put it in the car. See if this goes through all the cross member mounts and everything. I think I'm going to be doing cutting on that cross section that I don't really want to. That I've got everything fitted, I'll probably make a slight hole here for the gear lever, and I'll make a slight bubble here, and then this slips up a little bit, then I'll make those splits. That's perfect where I want it, as put the engine so that I can have my blocker just coming down and miss the steering. That's basically that, eh? Now I'm just going to quickly prepare the gearbox mounting and take it from there. Let's quickly cut that gearbox mounting away. go if it matches the chassis. Sorry you guys can't go yet. Perfect, I'll just tag it and then drill my holes. And that should be it. But that's basically how it should be, everybody. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much for everybody. Please subscribe and like so I can bring you more content on my rusty pieces of scrap we find in the field. Thank you everybody. Peace out.